What's up, everybody? This is Igor in Russia, a foreigner traveling to Russia, making videos, exploring new cities, new places of this amazing place, Moscow in this case, and other cities as well. I was just asked by the two ladies, and this is how you're supposed to start your discussion in Moscow and maybe even St. Petersburg because of so many tourists. First of all, you have to ask, excuse me, are you a Muscovite? Извините, вы москвич? Москвич? And I'm like, no, this is my first time in this neighborhood. Right, police is over. Passed us by. This is like not far from the town, but then again, of course, Moscow is a huge city. There's a center, feel of a center anywhere you go. It's busy, wide metropolis. All right, while we're here, let's explore a little bit of the neighborhood. That's what I like to do, explore the ordinary life here in Moscow and anywhere I go. The streets, the services, the people, the sights and stuff, anything that we come across. You know me, guys. And by the way, here we have cars in line. A big amount of foreign countries, not including Chinese though, because hold up, sorry. Usually, I would say maybe up to 50%, not 50%, but maybe 30-40% max. They would be already Chinese. And I know there's a beautiful church around this area, so we're gonna go and check that place out. Wow. It's a gate. I thought about like it's a pathway without any intention, but it had a gate. So it opens. Dynamovskaya улица in honor of Dynamo. And three main football clubs are located in Moscow. There's a Dynamo, Spartak, and CSKA. And of course, many more lower level. I've seen a game between, I think it's first division or second division football teams from Leningrad Oblast and Moscow. I watched that on my channel, guys. You can check that out. And as well, it was in the historic Petrovsky Stadium, which was 100 years old. Zenit's original stadium, guys. But enough of St. Petersburg. Wow, check it out. Beautiful playground for kids. And it's, of course, if you go away from the main streets, it gets really quiet. That's what I love about. I thought it wasn't like that. I thought it was in St. Petersburg, but not Moscow. But it's always also the same situation with St. Moscow. If you go away from the busy streets, even quite close to this very central area, you're gonna find out that it's peaceful. Here we are. I think there's a beautiful cathedral here. All right, guys. No space to cross the busy street. What? Is it so? It is. But here we have a beautiful monastery. It's called Novospasskyi Monastery, and I would really like to go there. I don't know where to cross, so let's go through here maybe then. Yeah, let's go, and this way we'll see the beautiful intersection. Oh wow, check it out. History on the walls of Moscow. Ivan Chernyakhovsky. I heard the name. Wow, beautiful. So I hope we can cross it, because this place here looks amazing. I don't know, can I enter it or not? There is no, of course, there is a under passage, truly Soviet style. So we go out, down, and then we are able to actually get across. Oh my God, Moscow. What a true place of power. I think I might go grab a bite, because guys, if you know my live streams, I don't know, and I don't know when I will release this video. I've actually hurt my ankle really bad, so I'm gonna take the bike now because it really hurts to walk. Handy, really handy.
И у нас не 20, а 65.
Спасибо. Guys, we're now gonna go to the monastery, guys. I'm excited, but at least close to it, because we're not gonna, if it's a proper monastery, we won't be able to go here. Oh my God, check it out. A road to the monastery. We have flags commemorating 1812. Wow, it's like 226 years old, guys. So this here is a church. And this here is the monastery. Let's put the bike for a while and stop on hold. All right, Novospasskyi Monastery. Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous entrance. And I think you should not film here, but let's do quickly from the entrance. All right, here it is, the full blueprint of this monastery, right in the center, close to the center. Лавка Novospasskyi Monastery. Oh my God, really nice, guys. You have, so this is kind of a monastery for people, not tourists, guys, people. So I can see that there's a lot of like monasteries own kiosks and stuff, and that's very normal. Just look at this. And outside monastery, if it's not like a closed monastery, you can film quite easily until somebody will deny you that right. We have the walls of monastery on top, old ones. Beautiful little walkways. Hold up. Here it is. Oh wow, holy place. I think this is like the maybe a main gate. It used to be a main gate probably, or well, slash a tower, an actual beautiful tower. There's a so by the entrance there's icons, basically guarding, also in a way. Oh wow, check it out. Beautiful, man. This is epic. It's not far from Proletarskaya metro station. We can reach Novospasskyi Monastery. Wow, now really shiny, guys. And this is a place for people to, of course, pray, or maybe for somebody just to relax as well, you know, not necessarily super believers, I guess. And we're not gonna go inside because it's forbidden to film there, guys. We do have like a Tsar family pictures on the right. Let's check it out. Priest clearly. We have like probably one of the important, some of the important like main priests here who were like leading this church. And here we have, of course, Romanov family. And this is basically dedicated to the family of Romanov, the last Romanov family of Nicholas II. Here you can see the coronation, I think, of the Tsar. It says, hold up, 400 years of the house of Romanovs. And here is a Святейший Patriarch Moskovsky, Patriarch Kirill with Nicholas II. And this was 2013 put in place. And he's not the Kirill, actually. It's a current Patriarch of Russian church that's commemorating the 400 years of Romanov, even though they haven't been in power since 1917, I believe. Yes. All right, guys. Look at this beautiful church. We won't go in because it's forbidden, so we're gonna go just basically out. But and if this is the video of this episode, where I go from Proletarskaya metro station to the monastery. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video in Moscow, or watch my other series from St. Petersburg, Tver, and many other places. Much more videos coming up, guys. Bye-bye.